TradeOxy has always been about providing the most powerful tools to people in the simplest way possible. Our first iteration converted code into APIs and it was quite popular, but we found that people started to ask about community, how to explore their data, and if there was a no code version to make it simpler for them. That led us to iteration 2, where we focused on 3 pillars: our community through Discord, understanding the interface and making it simple, and then providing education, which is still a work in progress. We got 45 signups, which was amazing, but we found that people wanted to know where they started, about their data, and commented that was a bit slow. That leads us to iteration 3, or this week's update. First of all, we completely revolutionized our user interface. We made it cleaner. We integrated one of the world's most popular trading platforms, which is TradingView or data exploration platforms. And we added what we're provisionally calling a co-pilot, but that'll change the name so that we don't break any IP laws. We also spent tons and tons of time updating our backend. It's now 90% faster. We've started to implement a zero trust security model, and it's completely microservice based, which will make it really, really easy for us to update in the future. Finally, we started to build our educational content, fully integrating it with our platform, and we're excited to announce that that's going to be released in the next couple of weeks. All of this is going to be updated on GitHub. Thank you.